Hello everybody, I hope that you enjoy this Women's Fishing Network short brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. I'm your Tuesday host, Amanda Weeb, and we are going to keep it nice and quick today. Last week I built a Smitty Sled. I have accumulated an exorbitant amount of fishing gear, and it can be tough and heavy to haul out onto the ice. So to simplify things, I built myself a nice big Smitty Sled. Allows me to organize my gear a little bit better, makes for a lighter pull, and helps me get into spots just a little bit easier. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a quick little breakdown, followed up by a time lapse of setting it up out on the lake. Okay, first part of a Smitty Sled obviously is to get a nice set of skis. These were generously donated to me by my dad, who is a tech. So yeah, I took a 2x6 and notched out for 2x4s as the cross pieces. Obviously, that's me. I used some eye bolts as anchor points for straps to strap everything down to the sled. And finally, and that's another little eye bolt with which I attach my rope. Here's said rope. I used a little section of water hose just to make for a little bit of a handle. And then these lovely little clips that clip into that eye bolt. Everything detaches and breaks down nicely for storage purposes. And finally, we've got our cross pieces. I did glue on a nice light black foam. Keeps the sled and the tent from slipping. And then burnt the front and the back so that you know what goes together. And yeah, it all goes together with some 5-inch carriage bolts, which I drilled holes in my kind of uprights for the sled. Yeah, pretty simple, nice little build. Took it out on Saturday and it was a dream. Yeah, definitely something I'd recommend doing if you've got a lot of stuff to haul out there. So yeah, that's my short. Enjoy the time lapse of us setting it up, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.